Welcome to Exemplary Marketing YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to be talking about, is React Native really the future of mobile app development? There have been massive advances in technology in the past decade. However, only a few sectors have witnessed unprecedented growth. One of them is mobile app development industry. According to statistics, by the year 2020, mobile apps are predicted to generate 188.9 billion in global app revenue via app stores and in-app advertising. The user also require apps that offer flawless performance, seamless navigation, as well as aesthetical appeal. The increasing demand for better, faster, and more efficient mobile apps has been increasing. On the contrary, high-performing quality native apps are time-consuming to develop as compared to cross-platform apps that provide faster deployment but compromise slightly on the performance. To adapt an increasingly fast-paced world, mobile app developers require enhanced technology to build revolutionary mobile applications and keep in sync with the demand. React Native has emerged as a viable solution to write brilliant apps, rapidly transforming the world of mobile. What is React Native and is the future of mobile app development? Maintained by the developers at Facebook and Instagram, React Native is the native version of JavaScript library. It provides a fast trick to complain, performs well on targeted platforms, and it's easy to debug. Using React Native, you can build mobile applications that are indistinguishable from the application developed using Java or Objective-C. It uses the same fundamental user interface building blocks regular to iOS and Android apps, but you can assemble the building blocks using React and JavaScript. As a result, React Native has gained massive popularity, community support, and market share within a few years since it was introduced. The GitHub repository statistics reveal that the 1,002 contributors have committed 7,971 times in 45 branches with 124 releases. In addition, it also has the 14th most starred repository on GitHub. According to Jeff Merson, creator of the podcast Software Engineering Daily, React Native will survive the competitive niche of mobile app development and continue to take over a few share of the mobile ecosystem. He also speculated that Facebook might create their own mobile phone, but specifically to support application developed with React Native. In 2016's F8 conference, both Microsoft and Samsung, the tech giants, committed to bringing React Native to Windows and Tizen. Subsequently, there have been universal Windows platform and smart TV apps built using React Native. Moreover, according to Google Trends in 2016, for the first time in past 1 year, search term for React Native surpassed Android and iOS development. Thus, React Native has become a trending topic in addition to being a popular framework. Reasons why React Native is the future of mobile app development. Following are the list of reasons React Native is being identified as the future of mobile apps. Cross-platform compatibility. React Native was originally introduced for iOS. However, owing to these amazing capabilities and features, Facebook developed its support for Android as well. Now the majority of React Native APIs are cross-platform, which entails the developers that can build both for iOS and Android using React Native simultaneously through one code base. Moreover, you can embed native code conveniently when necessary to impart a more platform mobile specific authenticity to your application. This reduces the development cost considerably, as well as same time otherwise spent writing two codes. React provides platform modules and platform specific file extensions. The platform module can detect the iOS OS supporting the app and use it to define platform-specific implementations. With platform-specific extensions, React can pick up the correct file based on the OS running as app on. Native functionality. Mobile apps developed using React Native functions as well as any native app. Hence the name React Native. When it comes to usability, scroll acceleration, keyboard behavior, and animations can play a defining role in popularity of the app, and thus developers cannot ignore it. The user interface developed with React Native consists of native widgets that perform flawlessly. React Native, according to with JavaScript, runs the most complex of the apps smoothly, overperforming even the real native apps. Without WebView, therefore building the apps with React Native is a competitive solution for developing robust applications. Instant live updates. Another significant advantage of using React Native is the live updates. With the extensive use of JavaScript, developers have the feasibility of pushing the updates directly to the user's phone instead of going through the App Store update cycle. Consequently, this ensures that users can enjoy the updated versions of the app immediately and you do not have to deal with the problems associated with older versions. Moreover, the React Native, the entire procedure is extremely streamlined and simple. You can use Microsoft's Live Update Service Code Push SDK, which integrates with your React Native application to push notifications to your app. The only drawback is that the JavaScript file and that assist can be updated using these features. Another update requiring the native OS will have to go through the App Store or Play Store standard update process. Simple to learn. React Native is highly readable and easy to learn since it relies on language fundamental. It is the perfect tool for novice developers who are new to JavaScript, as it provides a range of components including maps and filters. Positive developer experience. React Native provides a great developing environment where the developers have a better experience. For starters, it allows the modifications and implementations to take place while the app is running, eliminating the need to restart. Hot reloading, refreshes, and user interface when changing are made to the file. Consequently, it simplifies the iteration changes by removing the tedious rebuilding and deploying the step. Moreover, React Native uses Flexbox layout engine for generating app layouts for the both platforms, iOS and Android. Therefore, you can learn just one layout engine to develop on both platforms and the web. You can also use the Chrome developer tools to embed React Native with desktop Chrome browser. As a result, you can gain easy access to the debugger and profiling tools. Finally, React Native enjoys massive support from the developing community, and it offers many components that are readily available for use, making the app development processes much faster. Wrapping up, React Native is a thriving community that offers a vibrant ecosystem for the mobile app development sector. It has morphed into and to go-to framework for the majority of developers who want to create the most innovative and competitive apps. Moreover, since it provides easy access to libraries and plugins, developers can expedite the developing phase. The apps enjoy the prominent features of native apps without compromising on the performance, all within the reduced time frame and cost. So if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button down below. Also, do not forget to share and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.